Families impacted by COVID-19 are eligible for up to $9,000 in funeral costs. But the ABC 7 News data team found that less than a third of eligible families have actually received that assistance. ABC 7 News I-Team reporter Melanie Woodrow with more on the roadblocks that some are encountering.
When Kristen Urquiza's father passed away from COVID-19, she was struck by the tremendous loss.
It really left in me not only deep grief and sadness, but what felt like a hurricane in my body.
Like most COVID deaths, it was unexpected.
So we didn't have, the $15,000 on hand to just make sure that he was taken care of in a dignified way.
Urquiza applied for and received the maximum FEMA COVID-19 funeral assistance, $9,000, but says the process wasn't without roadblocks, including getting through by phone. Calling a dedicated hotline is the only way to apply. The ABC 7 News data team analyzed FEMA and CDC data as of March 15th. More than $2 billion in assistance has been given out to more than 300,000 applicants since the agency began accepting applications in April 2021. But that's less than 1/3 of all COVID-19 deaths in the United States. In California specifically, of the 38,086 people who applied, about 68% were approved. But there are more than 86,000 COVID deaths in California, meaning only approximately 30% of eligible people were awarded funeral assistance.
I'm not surprised.
To raise awareness, Matthew Peralta, executive director for the California Funeral Directors Association, says he's targeting communications in areas with high COVID death rates and low FEMA assistance application numbers.
Most of those areas were in the Central Valley.
One of the roadblocks some people are encountering is the cause of death listed on the death certificate.
There are a lot of families who had loved ones that died in the beginning of the pandemic before testing was widely available.
According to FEMA, if the death certificate was issued between January 20th and May 16th, 2020, it must either attribute the death directly or indirectly to COVID-19 or be accompanied by a signed statement from the original certifier of the death certificate or the local medical examiner or coroner from the jurisdiction in which the death occurred, listing COVID-19 as a cause or contributing cause of death. This signed statement must provide an additional explanation linking the cause of death listed on the death certificate to COVID-19. If the death certificate occurred on or after May 17, 2020, the death certificate must attribute the death directly or indirectly to COVID-19. Even then, the process isn't always smooth. Marisol Ramos's father passed away from COVID on January 9, 2021.
It still doesn't seem real.
Ramos lives in LA. Her father passed away in New York. She says when she applied, she submitted 2 versions of her father's death certificate, including one that listed COVID-19 as the cause of death. Still, she says it took multiple follow-up calls to ultimately receive the funds 3 months later.
It's a very hard process to navigate. I know my aunt, who lost both my uncle and her son, never applied just because she had trouble collecting documents.
Nationally, California ranks 13th in the percentage of applications approved as of March 15th.
Persistence is key. If you're denied once, you keep trying and keep asking questions.
FEMA says delays in payment may be related to the death certificate, proof of funeral expenses, or providing legible documents. As of now, there is no deadline to apply for COVID-19 funeral assistance. For the I-Team, Melanie Woodrow, ABC 7 News.